Hello, my name is Gavin, and this is my tour video using Notion in August 2019. So I want to start off this video with showcasing my general Notion setup. The first thing I have with my setup is using a homepage. This is where I kind of keep the biggest picture of everything I want to do. Currently, I have it set with just some quotes. I got an idea off of watching other Notion tour videos from other YouTubers. So in the current focus, I have 5 main projects that I like to work on. I also keep multiple projects. That way I kind of help myself to not burn out of anything specific. So I kind of switch between projects, and the way I have current focus set up is if I work on a project, I click action done, I check it, uncheck it, it changes the last edit, and it is sorted by last action and ascending. Now, scrolling down, I have production categories. I kind of keep my dev stuff next to each other here, as well as my educational channel. Now in my notes is stuff that I keep for later access, such as ASP.NET Blazor. I keep a little article on this for something to research in the future. Over in my developer stuff, I kind of keep, and then I have my subpages, focuses, and that type of stuff. I have my channel. I have some quotes on teaching. I have some channels I enjoy watching, and I kind of find their content inspirational to kind of give me ideas on how I would like to further pursue my channel. And then I have a list of ideas. So for instance, I'm working on this one right now. I have lists of shots I need to do, video description, bookmarks. This is if it's a brief sync video, and that for any online resources I found to do a specific thing. And then I have my post-production. Sometimes I use the script if I'm struggling on figuring out what words I want to use. So I use videos, typically sorted by ideas, but there is also status. And then I can also view published. If I want to keep notes, I can just list it down here. So over in my journal, the way how I keep track of things here is by naming it by the date. So today is the 24th, 2019. I like to keep that full year date there. And the mission date, which is today. This is if I use this for if I want to do future planning, but I don't want to see more than tomorrow or more than the current day by this week status. And I always typically put it as in progress. And I have my little template here for dailies, missions, the thing I want to focus on for the day, the thing that I absolutely want to get done as soon as possible. So for instance, on this one is finishing the mission for yesterday, which was actually creating this video. And then I like to keep track of things that I did proactively for the day. So I have a little toggle list here, and for instance, for this, I'll put my channel, and I like to just add color to everything. I'll make it green for today. There's no specific colors I use for this. Open the toggle here and add some stuff like worked on tour video After Effects project and recorded intro to Notion tour video. So I'll just add things like that. And typically by the end of the day, I'll put, did I achieve my mission? Yes or no. If I did, I'll put yes, comma, what I kind of did in the day. Or if I didn't, and I delayed it or canceled it, I'll put no, color it red, and put reasons for why. But I also keep multiple views, such as mission calendar, and I have it sorted by mission date. This is how I like to use Notion. I come from using Todoist, and I just found that I needed to look at the bigger picture. And the great thing with me using Notion is I kind of have this home view, which is just the overall canvas of my day-to-day, months ahead type of thing. I can keep zooming in to specific projects that I want to get done, because in reality, there's always something to do. It's just figuring out what you should focus on and ways to not burn yourself out. That has been my tour of Notion in August 2019. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to hear your input on this type of video, as well as ideas for future episodes. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.